Good morning and welcome. This one I think is going to be for purple lovers. I'm going to blow some paint around today. I'm getting covered in paint. I don't know what's going on. It's messy today, messy. And sometimes you just got to get down and get messy. So purple lovers, and I'm going to do it in a pattern. I don't think I've done any blowing of paint for a while, so why not today? I'm just going to cover my canvas and do this different composition. Oh goodness. So this is like a very, well, it looks actually brown. Maybe I shouldn't use that. That don't look so good. That does not look good. Okay, let me go to plan B. Shall I try one side? It was supposed to be my Berry Delicious, but I believe I added too much of something, and I can't think what, to the colour. So anyway, I am just going to literally go with the flow with what colours I've got and see how it goes. This paints are a little bit thick really for blowing paint, but I'm going to lighten this all up with the colours that I'm going to add to it. So at this stage I'll just give it a real good push that paint over, and you could use your blow dryer to blow it over where you want it, but I find that that actually wastes more paint and you spend more time fiddling trying to get it exactly where you want it. So just creating a different effect because it's got the different colours on it laid out in a different way. Yeah, that does, it looks real chocolate brown, and it was supposed to be my Berry Delicious. So there you go. I've been making Berry Delicious custom colour for several years now, and there you go. I get things wrong all the time too. So this one looks more like my Berry Delicious colour. This is purpley. I think when I put the lighter colours over it, you will see these colours a little bit clearer. So just spreading them out, not too much because I want to blow paint over the top of them. I'm not finishing off my edges at this point in time. I mean, it does look a bit dark and mean, doesn't it? But I'm going to lighten it up. So this is the bleached titanium. That's very, very thin. Ooh, not sure about that. Maybe I'll go with the gold. Go for gold. Let's see. I just really would like to keep the colours minimalistic, believe it or not. So we might go the gold, might go white, might do this. Maybe I've got some champagne gold, which is 50% gold and 50% metallic silver. So yeah, that's nice. Love this colour. So I'll custom make that too from those two metallic gold and silver. That's always nice. And I'm going to whiz over with my heat wand and burst those air bubbles in there. That's it. I've got that paint on a little on the thick side, so I'm really hoping that it will spread for me. So I'll get my little pink genie out. Love this little dryer. Okay, I'm going to try and blow it on slow because I really want to try to control my swirls. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, gorgeous. I love it. Oh my word. That is beautiful. But of course, you could absolutely leave it exactly like that. There's nothing wrong with it. You just finish off your sides, bring some of this paint down, finish off your sides. But I know that I have to do my signature balloon art magic, which I believe will actually lift this even further. Right, those colours, they actually turned out brilliant. What do you guys think? I love them. So, okay, I'm going to do this. Just press the balloon quite firmly. Lift it out, which the paint is falling in, as you see. So it would be, I would advise to anyone else, walk away and leave this now for maybe 20 minutes. And then when you come back, your balloon kisses will hold their form better. So, or wipe, make sure after every balloon kiss, you wipe your balloon off. And then you can go back in the same area, because then it's just pulling a little bit more paint out of there. That's how I do it, and I certainly do go off and have a cuppa in between time if I so choose. But you see, if you double kiss and wipe your paint off in between, that can work well too. So I just believe that the balloon kissing adds a little bit more movement to it and stops it looking like plonky, like what's the word I could use, like chubby in the middle, like it spreads it out nicely. I just love it. Oh my goodness, these colours are super cool, super delightful. Even after I've done this, I think that's just perfect the way it is. When it's dried off a little bit, I'll go back in with a smaller balloon and do the centre of those balloon kisses, and then it really makes a finished effect in there. But I'm gonna just do a little bit of I've done this on a few paintings. I'm just putting my little spread out brush into the white paint, and it's like just flicking it on those darker areas, and I just like the effect of the sort of paint. It just I just think it just gives that darker background a little bit of zzz. Oh, look what I've done. Oh, Gilly plonker. Oh God. Just like a starry night in the background. Oh my goodness. It's like set it all off going, oh, I know what I did with that brush before. You know what I did? I went and dipped the brush in silicone. Then I've gone and dipped it in the paint, and now they're all going like berserk little crazy cells everywhere. Oh, Gilly, what have I done? I was trying to go not for. I'm going to dip these, kiss these blobbier paints, because I don't quite like that. I'll have to bring you down and have a look at this little beauty. The colours are really gorgeous. I haven't done this particular colour combo in a while, and it just brings me back that I've got to do more of this, because I have been on the bright and vibrant colour train for a little while. So I'm going to come back and do some more of these colour combo. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down and have a little looky-see at this. It's gorgeous from, yeah, it's nice that, but it's even nicer from my perspective. There you go. Oh, this is so lovely. I just love it, love it, love it. But where I flicked that paint, look, because I had some silicone on the brush, it just went crazy, which is not what I wanted. I want it more just wispy like that side. So, oh, there's some absolutely stunning. Look how that turned out with that gold blowing through the purple. Just beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. You can, when it's dried, certainly go over areas and outline areas. Will probably be nice with a metallic gold pen. So super happy with that. Like I said, when it's dried off a little bit, I'll just go back in those few areas where I've balloon kissed and re-kiss again. But that's going to be about it. That's me done. I hope that you enjoyed that. With something a little bit different again. I keep trying to change up the techniques and do different things for you each time I post. So I hope you're getting some inspiration. You might not definitely like everything I do, but I hope there's something there for everyone. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. You can certainly take certain a lot of high definition photos in areas of your work that you really love. You know, could just take a photograph of that only and then have it into, you know, put it on what is it, picture app, or, you know, get prints off just areas of your work. So if you don't like the whole piece, but there's certain pieces you love, then that's a really good idea for you to try and get prints. Okay, I am going to chuff off now. Until next time, please take care, my lovelies. Remember, look after yourself, look after your mental health. If you don't look after yourself, you're not well enough to look after anyone else. So you're number one. You are number one. Bye for now.